Alright, the only thing you're going to need for this job is the THULE D1251 key and the key that came with the box. While the box is locked, you're going to take the key that came with the box, insert it, and turn it 45 degrees clockwise. Then remove this key, insert the change key, the D1251, and simply wiggle the lock out of place. Then take your new THULE lock cylinder, insert the THULE change key, and install it into the cylinder hole. Hold your finger down on the lock and pull the key out. Then just double check that the new key is fully functional and you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also check out all my other videos. And we'll see you in the next one.